Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today I have a full face using only LA Girl makeup. LA Girl makeup brand is sold at Ulta Beauty. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. I primed my lids, so for eyeshadow palette I'm going to use my favorite, which is the LA Girl Pro Artistry eyeshadow palette. I know I played with this all last year for 2020 and we're in 2021 and now I understand. But if you've been a long time subscriber, I've been using the greens a lot and the orange. So now I'm just going to play with the other colors that are in this palette. So I'm going to show it to you now. It does have a lot of fallout, but I usually play with the greens and whatnot. So now I'm going to touch the blue crease. I'm going to take this shade right here, this light one right there, just to set my lids. And then I'm gonna take this brown shade right here for the crease. And then brush, and I'm gonna take this orange shade right here. To have my shader brush, and I did not spray it, but I'm gonna take this dark navy blue shade right here. For eyeliner, I have the Glide On Gel Liner in the shade Black. Now for mascara, I have is a Volumatic Lash Lifting Mascara. And this is how the wand looks like. And it's in the shade black, of course. Well, this mascara I don't really like. It does nothing to your lashes. As you can see, nothing. It's doing nothing. It says it's Volumatic, so this mascara is gonna be a miss. I really don't like it. But the eyeshadow palette is a hit and the eyeliner is a hit. But this mascara is a miss. For foundation, I have is the Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Foundation. And this one I have in the shade Natural. And I'm going to use this along with my sponge, LA Girl sponge. I put it under the water just now, a few minutes ago, and it's nice and bouncy and soft. Now let's put this baby out to the test. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the Pro Concealer, and I'm going to have this in the shade Natural as well. To set this concealer, I am using the Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder. And this one's in the shade Banana. Now I don't have a bronzer, but I do have a blush because I didn't have no bronzer on the Ulta website. So I do have a blush. It's called Just Blushing, and this one's in the shade Just Peachy. So I'm gonna swatch it now for you, and this is it, how it looks like. Just Peachy blush. So pretty, right? So since it is super pigmented, one swatch, so I have my blush brush, and I'm just gonna take just a little bit. Look how pigmented it is. Now for highlighter, I have is the Strobe Light Strobing Powder, and this one is in the shade Watt. So this is how the highlight looks like. It's in the shade Watt, and I'm gonna swatch it right now so you can see this highlighter shade. This is it. Oh, so pretty, right? I normally get like gold champagne highlighters, but I just wanted to do something different because I know this style of highlighters are in now, the white highlighters, which is so pretty. Again, this one is in the shade 90 Watts. Woo, so pretty. Now for the lips, I have is the Lip Mousse Velvet Lip Color. This is it, the Velvet Lip Color, and this one is in the shade BFF. And I'm gonna swatch it now for you. You know, guys, if you have been watching my videos for the longest, you know that I love all mauve pink shades. I'm a mauve pink shade fan. So this is it. This is the Lip Mousse. Lastly, I have for setting sprays is setting spray fix and set makeup. Please ignore the background. Some cars backing up. Don't know who it is. This is New York. Face product hits I really love is the LA Girls hit. The foundation, the concealer is a hit. Basically all these are hits. I really like this. I really like the setting powder. The blush was definitely a hit. It was super pigmented, and I really like the setting spray as well. So I'm gonna go through the ones that was a miss. So these two is a miss. It's the sponge because I really don't like it, and this one is also a miss, the lash lifting mascara, because it did no volume to the lashes whatsoever. It did nothing to my lashes. That's why I had to pop on some falsies. But this one, not that really, because it blended foundation, but it didn't make me have flawless skin. It didn't make my skin like a dull skin, so that's why I didn't really like this sponge at all, but it is okay. But I still feel there's better sponges out there that does a wonderful job than this sponge. So these two were in this. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this full face of LA Girl makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.